Okay.
Alright, it started again.
Whole thing?
I guess.
Hi, my name is Vicki, and I'm here to give Princess an animal BEST treatment. And BEST stands for Bioenergetic Synchronization Technique, and it's a way to align animal energy, and then we can also do a way to release subconscious interference, so things that are bothering the animal in the mind area. So what we're doing is we're just checking for symmetry in the pole area, so right up here at the top of the neck. We're also feeling for sensitivity in the girth area, and just a light touch. Let's see if there's any reactivity, like a flinch or anything like that. We're going to go right down the spine, see if there's any flinching, any reactivity. Well, she's right on my leg. I would also check for symmetry in the hip area, but she's not cooperating, which is fine. We're just going to let that one go. So now we're going to connect the front and the back half of the body in two places, right at the base of the neck and right at the tail area. And that just tells the mind and the body to connect. And now what we're going to do, check for symmetry. Usually if there's anything out of balance, there's going to be a bone right up here that's going to push one way or the other. And if the bone is pushed out, that means these muscles are tensed. I'm not finding that on her, so I'm just going to start on a particular side. And what we're doing is starting with a north energy. If you can imagine, there's a spot, and from here up is north, and from there down is south. So we're doing north to north energy. So what I'm doing is I'm putting her up. That's a good sign of integration right there. What I'm doing is putting her energy back into her. I'm just waiting for the points to coordinate. And just a nice light touch. She's shifting around a little bit. She's a little bit uncomfortable, which can happen as they sense the energy shifting. It's different. I'm going to start over again, which actually makes it a little bit easier. I can just do north to north energy, allowing her to align her energy. Oops, is that a sensitive spot? Yes. Yep. You just changed the poles on me, so I gotta.
Nope,
Okay.
she won't let me.
Okay. We won't do that one. We'll just do this. We'll do south to your heart. So we're doing the pole to the heart. She's getting pidgey. Are you just gonna hang out there? Okay. Let me shift again. So north to south in the belly. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Nope. No. Oh, she wants to play now. That can happen. When the animal decides they're done with the treatment, that's pretty much it. I think I'd stop it for recording if you want. Come here. Except now you're not going to let me touch you, are you? No? Are you good? You just want to play? I'm going to stop for now, but that's just like an intro. So what you do is the same thing on the other side as you're evening out the energy, and then from there we finish up with 2 north points here. That just finishes out the treatment. And then from there, using kinesiology, all I do is ask if she needs emotional, and I get a yes. So now what we do is we have 3 categories. Situation, which is a situation. There's also body and person. And then we can go to the feeling. Let's reference my feelings. So situation, column A, 1 through 4, 5. So 5A is guilt. So situation and guilt. And we don't have to know anything about what the situation is or why she's feeling guilty. We're just going to release that. We're also going to ask, are the eyes open? Is the left eye closed? We never want to close both eyes on an animal. So we're just going to blind her the left eye, and then we're going to ask for contact points. Is it a pair? And then if it's not a pair, I just do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is it 1, to, then it would be 4, so 2 and 4. So it's this temple, or this eye and this temple. We're just going to hold that with a loving, healing intention to release guilt in situation. And I get a clear signal. It's clear, it's any other emotion. We're done with that. Now the last thing we do is, it's called visceral somatic. So all I'm going to do is hold the hip, north energy, south energy to the gut. So it's hip to gut on the same side. Hip to gut on the same side. And then it's hip to opposite heart. And hip to opposite heart. And just end by connecting those points again. And then usually I just ask, is she complete? So basically I just energetically align the body and align the energy in the body, did the emotional, and then finished off with the visceral somatic. So we're basically aligning everything that's supposed to be working the way it is with the puppy dog. And then we'll walk to integrate, get her balanced, get her working left to right. So it's a contralateral. So we want the body to work from right brain, left side of the body, left brain, right side of the body. It's just the contralateral. So we watch to make sure she's walking properly. And it also helps to integrate all that work. And that's it.